So for those of you who did not join that day or are a little bit late, so what is report writing? Report writing is a formal piece of writing, and it focuses on writing about descriptions of any incident, event, accident, or a personal experience. Now, depending upon where you are writing the report. Okay, so yes, we have reports for the newspaper. We have reports for the magazine, for your school magazine or for journals also, right? So we have report writing for that. What is the basic format of a report? Yes, do you remember? Can you tell me what is it? You have your heading or your headline. As I told you, then you have the byline. This is by your, you can say the name, and here by the staff correspondent or the reporter. Okay, here we write down the place and the date. In case of a school magazine, your report, here it would be your class and section. Okay, that's it. What is the fine. So here, when we write a report, so these are the few things that you need to remember. Like, of course, there are so many things which we'll be discussing. And here, a report, it is, as I told you, it's a very formal piece of writing. Have you noted down the format? Yes. Please write down quickly, side by side. And when we write the report, what are the things that we have to remember? So generally, like if we're able to write about these points, our whole report is covered. We talk about what, when, where, why, who, right? Then you give your comments about it. You can discuss here about like comments as in the important points which you want to discuss, right? Then yes, you if it is like you participated in a competition or you attended a seminar or a conference and you are talking about that here. Yes, so let's continue here. Okay. So these are the things that you have to remember. And when we do talk about here, the first line of the report is your expansion of the headline. Now, as let us discuss, say here that you are talking about, or you have to write a report, write a question, write a report about inter-school debate competition. Right? Now, when we have to write this report, naturally, we are going to think of a suitable heading. Yes, so you just keep in mind which report you have to write down. It is an inter-school, and you are, say, as we'll try both of them. These both reports will write as a reporter, as a participant. Okay, right? So what is it? So when I talk about the heading, and if there was something very important that happened, which you want your readers to be aware of, to know about, that would be the headline. Because when you write the report, the headline has to be something very catchy, something very, like informative, and which makes the reader want to read that report. Okay. Yes. So if it is, say, debate, we can say, Anuj wins, say, best speaker. Right? You can say SSDPS clinches the trophy. So here, when I write down the heading, I have, like written what could be the main points or the main event, what is the highlight of that whole function, right? So yes, so first we're writing as a staff correspondent, write this, write your name, ABC, and as the correspondent, okay? Yes, so we have to give the place and date, so give Jalandhar, and yeah, so the date of the event, okay, right? And the rest things here. So remember here you have these 3 lines in which you're going to start off with your report. Now the first line of your report, yes, it is the expansion of the headline, or it is here talking about what is there in this headline, right? So what is it? What are we writing about? We are talking about an inter-school debate. Yes. Where did it take place? Which school organized it? It could be, yes, it could be SSDPS, or it could be MGN, or any other school that you want to name, right? Who was the host for this, right? And of course, yes, so what was the purpose here? The purpose, right? Whether it was a a competition, or it was any other organization conducting it. And basically, yes, it is to develop the speaking skills, to develop the confidence of the students, right? How many teams participate? How many teams participated? So you can say, like, say 20 teams. With national, it's a debate. There is always one for the motion and one against. Okay, so 2 teams with 2 speakers, right? Yes, talk about who was the chief. Okay, so when we have such events, it is very, very important that we talk about all these points. Okay, so all these things have to be discussed. Yes, who was the chief guest, right? And right, you can just say the chief guest gave a speech. How was he welcomed, right? Any other, you can say you want to mention the judges if you want to, right? Did they, what was their, you can say view about the performance of the students? Yes, and in the end, very, like briefly here, you will not necessarily give all the names of all the toppers and like, of course, here, you will just give the results, right? Yeah, and then talk about the vote of thanks. Of course, of the host school, the principal giving the vote of thanks. So when I write down all these contents, when I write down all this information, I automatically get a good enough report. Okay, right? Yes, so make it even more better. Like if you are here looking, reading the newspapers nowadays, to make this report writing of yours even better, I would suggest that please read the newspaper. All your writing skills for class 12 are there in the newspaper. So whether it is your notice writing, whether it's your advertisement, whether it's report writing, article writing, speech writing, everything is there. So make a habit of reading the newspaper. Yes, at least know how the headlines are written, how the thoughts are written here. What are the main other, like, of course, so about the writing style. When I talk about the content part, as I say, for every writing skill, there has to be an appropriate writing skill. Yes, so like appropriate vocabulary. So the vocabulary here, or the manner of writing here, yes, we are going to write in indirect speech. If you have to quote that, right, then you will use passives. Please avoid the use of personal pronouns unless until it is an eyewitness account or you as a participant have to write this report. Okay, fine. And yeah, this is maybe one of the simplest ones that we can talk about. So as a participant here, if you had to write, or maybe you were there on the panel who was organizing it, you're the head boy of the host school, and you have to write a report for your school magazine, how are things going to change? Here, this byline is going to be different, right? Okay, yes, and Of course, here you can write your experience also in one line, just basically, yes, it was a good attempt to boost the confidence of the speakers, and they all were grateful of this opportunity to participate in such a prestigious event. Okay, right? So your report, once again, it should read like a report. So there's a difference in, like your paragraph writing and in your report writing. We are going to focus on what is relevant. So if you go into too much of unnecessary detail, audience will not like it. And of course, it will not be appropriate for the report also. Okay. Yes. So let us do one more here. Like the different kinds of reports. Accidents. We had discussed that day a report about an accident. Yes. So our main is about events, functions. We also have the report about say about a calamity, say a flood, right? Flash floods or excess of or a heavy downpour that happened as a result of what happened, right? Yes, so it could be a thunderstorm that struck the city, and as a result of it, what was the condition? So if you had to write a report on these, yes, so basically what are the points that you have to remember? I have discussed them all with you. Now, if you have to write, say your school organized a rally, so that is also an event, yes. Your school organized a rally for environmental awareness. Okay, as a member of the eco club of your school, write the report. Yes, so for your school magazine, you're writing this report. So can you write this report? What are the things that I'm going to write here in this report? Please note down these points, as many samples, as many hints that you have, that is what is going to make your report, like at least you have points to refer to. You'll have these value points to refer to. Okay. Yes, so here, what would be the heading? What can you give me a heading? That your school organized a rally for environmental awareness, and as a member of the Eco Club, write a report for your school magazine. What value points are we going to write here? Can you give me the heading first? Yes, who's going to give me the heading? Any one of you? Yes, Tanisha, Varun, Payal, Jatin, Nia, Lagan, Sarvinder. Yes, come on, hurry up. You have a lot of ideas. No, ma'am, at the moment we have run out of ideas. So SSTPS organizes environmental rally, right? Environment awareness. Can you see my handwriting is getting smaller and smaller? Okay. Evokes great response. Right? Is it visible? Right. So then give your byline. What all you have to write down, write your name, class, and section. Say plus 2B, plus 2A, B, C, right? Give your base and date here. So what will it be here? Yes, about the rally, when and where it was organized, what was the purpose to create awareness, how did the students who all participated, right? So you can say students from 9th to 12th classes, they participated. What did they do? They made posters, right? They carried banners, raising, like with the slogans, right? So they spread the message. What message? Of saving the environment. How can we do that? How can we do that? You can just write down here through planting trees, cleanliness, recycling, all these points you can write down. Okay, can you see now coming back to the top of my board, right? Then what else? What else did they do? Where did they go? They went in the neighborhood areas, just in the neighborhood of the school, right? And what was the response? Yes, of course, you can say they were greatly encouraged by the response of the public, right, at this great initiative. Okay, yes, who began this? You can see the principal of the school. She inaugurated it and encouraged the students to participate in such more activities which are very beneficial not only for like the school but for the society as such. Okay, right? Then you have necessary here. You can give what did one of the persons say, right? You can say Gaurav, say 12th B said that it was a great opportunity and he felt that he is really contributing his bit to save the environment. Okay, yes, so you can also say that you can say saplings were distributed in the neighborhood to make the people aware of all this, right? Clear? Yes, so do you have some idea of what report writing is about? Is it clear? Okay, so I'm just